Shipping container cabins are a very popular option for vacation rentals across the world. In this video, we bring to you the Appalachian Container Cabin, a scenic vacation rental in Otto, North Carolina, USA. Stay tuned to find out more about this modern container cabin. Welcome back. The Appalachian Container Cabin is a modern tiny home with an unparalleled view overlooking the Appalachian Trail and is built out of shipping containers. The cabin is located at the end of a private road deep within the Nantahala National Forest. The design comprises a 40-foot shipping container stacked on top of two perpendicularly aligned 20-foot containers. The guest cabin is housed inside the 40-foot container with two big outdoor decks at the front and at the back. This tiny house accommodates modern high-end appliances, smart home features, and some modern charm. A lighted front door framed by local cedar wood opens into a thoughtfully designed living space, which has a full-sized couch, an electric fireplace, and a 55-inch TV, plus a number of other household amenities. Pieces of artwork and accessories fitted in the living room adds a pop of color to the cabin. The kitchen and the living room share the view of the mountains through a large patio door that extends the living space into the big deck at the rear of the cabin. The kitchen area features a bowling alley countertop and modern appliances. The open-air kitchen shelves are built using reclaimed wood from a nearby salvage yard and some black piping. Beyond the kitchen, a barn door-style shutter through a middle aisle serves the bathroom on the far end of the container and a laundry room with a washer and dryer plus two bunk beds in the immediate room. The bunk room has got two sleeping bunks, which are perfect for kids or adults, and another bunk on top for storage of travel suitcases. The bathroom has everything you need, including a gorgeous shower. The pebble rainfall shower cubicle mimics the nearby pebble-lined creeks to create a sense of place. The master bedroom features a queen-sized bed and a huge window to enjoy the view of the pristine forested landscape. The interior space is lined with shiplap and painted white to make the space appear bigger and brighter, helping to remove the constricting feel of shipping container boxes. The hardwood floor used throughout the cabin creates a warm and welcoming feel. The grooves of the raw shipping container walls are painted black and are visible throughout the exterior, emphasizing the industrial style of the cabin. The side view of the cabin shows off the new sloped roof that covers the front and the back decks. The 40 by 12 inch deck sits on top of the additional 20-foot container and includes a large covered space underneath. The back deck has two outdoor living areas with a 6-person dining table as well as a couch and two chairs. The beautiful stainless steel spiral staircase takes you up to the observation deck where you can gaze at the stars at night. The 40 by 8-foot observation deck has some truly amazing views of the Smoky Mountains. The back deck overlooks the large custom-built fire pit that is lined with large boulders all round. This beautiful container cabin is listed on Airbnb starting at $196 per night. Feel free to check it out through the link in the description below. We love the amazing execution of the 3 volumes to create vantage views of the pristine surrounding landscape. Which part of this cabin appeals to you the most? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. You are encouraged to subscribe to these and more amazing weekly videos on shipping container living. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Welcome back. If you want to learn more on shipping container living, kindly subscribe. If you like our content, give us a thumbs up or your opinion in the comment section below. Without further ado, let's get started.